What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to yet another unboxing. It is, as you can see, if you can read, I think you can read, Frankenstein bust, life size by Sideshow Collectibles. Old school Sideshow GRAIL piece, whatever you want to call it. This is simply amazing, like most old school Sideshow pieces is. So let's go ahead. I got my child-proof scissors right here, so I don't poke my eye out when unboxing this, which would be a shame. Now the box have seen better days, and so has the art box, but who cares about the boxes, right? Here we go. It's a heavy sumbitch. I'm putting this away. And look at this sexy beast. Frankenstein life-size bust, Sideshow Collectibles. And let's continue with the unboxing. See if we can do this. Whew. Heavy. Or I'm just weak. Let's go with option number 2. Heavy, not weak. Whoops, put them down. Frank in the back, looking very nice. And there we go. Do you remember the old school, the good old days when Sideshow used to include a book for free with every statue? Yeah, not so much anymore. So let's go. Frank is in his body bag, or plastic. Sorry. Monster. Yeah, buddy. Oh, let me just lift him up. Woo. Don't fall out. Frankenstein. So let me take him out the box and put him on the Spinema jig disc, whatever. Be right back. Whew. Okay guys, back again. We have him set up, and I thought I would just spin him around for you so you can take a look. This one has real fabric on the clothes. Just base. It says Frankenstein. Don't know if you can see. I think you can. It says Frankenstein at the bottom. Real fabric, like a sweater, and then just a normal jacket, I guess. Go up. Frankenstein, monster, Sideshow Collectibles, GRAIL piece, old school Sideshow, high quality, ain't no messing around. Thank you for watching. See you soon. And bye bye.